Ngicela ukusho nje lamagama lambalwa then ngizonibonisa something. Bafethu mina la angikho la ukuthi ngizoba famous. Angikho la ukuthi ngizoduma. Angikho la ukuthi ngizoba umuntu ozoba mkhulu nakini yabo. Mina ngilethe into eyi-1 la. Ubaba uCredo uye umuntu ongilethe la kule platform. Because the time azoqeda ukushona lo baba lo wakhuluma amagama wathi nina enazi information. Isikhathi sokuthi ngikhuluma iqiniso manje. Khona nabanye bazovuka babone ukuthi kwenzakalani emhlabeni. Lana ngizokhuluma ngo-Adam ngo-Eva nange-Israel nangendawo uNkulunkulu lapha ahlala khona, and ngifuna ukubonisa something lapho wena ongaboni khona, because I'm here to uzoklina ongaphakathi kuwe and then ngokuvula ilihlo lakho lesithathu ela kaNkulunkulu lomoya. So yabona if ikhulunywa ngo-Eve, u-Eve bafethu amaqanda lawa la. This is a woman. Iqanda bafethu is something that we need to protect noma kanjani yabo. And iqanda le lithola into le ipower from Adam. Adam is what? It's a spinal cord. Yabo. Spinal cord esisiza la. Mase ifika la bafethu. This part sibiza iIsrael. iIsrael bafethu lapho uJacob wayelala khona. Lethi amabalekile ubhuti wakhe Isa waqamela ngomqamelo wathi wabona uNkulunkulu, because mase Israel sosendaweni ekuphi eyaNkulunkulu kuphi, which is in your right hand of your brain. Masulapho bafethu ilapho ke manje i-energy yonke iseza la kwilihlo lesithathu yabo. So abantu benu mangilokhu ngikhuluma la, abantu abaningi la ku TikTok mangilokhu ngikhuluma niyabhala ukuthi lento ekhulumayo amanga, it's a big lie. Ngiyabona ama comment ibhala, angeke ngize ngokujudge because I don't want to judge nobody yabo. So mase uvule ilihlo lakho lesithathu can you understand ukuthi everything that is around you it's a magic. Yonke into ekhona la emhlabeni it's a magic. Into ecreatwe abantu abafika la emhlabeni abazokwazi ukunicontrol. So mina lento le ndewe ngibona ngakhona iyamove emehlweni wami, because my third eye is open right now. Lento le iyamove, lesitulo lesi siyamove, lesitulo lesi umkhukhu lo uyamuva lo mkhukhu lo. Ayikho into emile la and ayikho into physical la yabo. Yonke lento le it's just a magic le la duze kwethu yabo. Njengoba ngishilo ukuthi bafethu angifuni ukuduma mina ngifuna ukuphinda amagama. Lento le it's just a magic ayiphili yabo. Mara mangabe uzoyibona ngama physical eyes, izinto eso uzogcina uzoshipha. Izinto eso uzogcina uthi hayi izinto ezikhona vele kanjani emhlabeni, which these things they were created ngani ngo magic. I'm gonna explain more about magic yabo. So into le ama scientists amaningi sewazamile ukuthi akwazi ukufika kuma platform azovula abantu amehlo ilihlo likaNkulunkulu leli lesithathu. So I'm gonna play this video. Mangizodlala le video bafethu, ngicela maqeda ukuphela ubheke esayidini yonke indawo lapho uzokwazi ukuthi ubheka khona. I think it would be possible ukuthi understand ukuthi sibona kanjani when we say we have a dead eye. Zonke lezi zinto lezi is non-physical, it's a magician. So ngicela enjoy le video le.
The center of the screen for 30 seconds and don't take your eyes off of the image. The closer you look at it, the better this will work. So get a little bit closer to your phone and just keep your eyes locked in the center of this image. As soon as it ends, I'm going to have you look away from the phone screen and look around the room, and this will make you hallucinate in real life. It is one of the most mind-blowing illusions I have ever seen. So here we go. It's about to end. Wait, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, look away.
Whoa, pretty trippy, right? Let me know if this illusion worked for you.